Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a previous version of a Google Sheets document. So once you open up that Google Sheets document that you want to get a previous version of, click on File from the upper left hand side, go down to where it says Version History and click on See Version History. Now from here you'll be able to find those different versions here, and if there's different versions, like say available on a specific date, you can expand it and you will see those different versions. Once you find a version that you want to restore, let me take this first one here. Just click the three dots, and here it says that you can restore this version, right? If you want to make a copy of that version, let's say, so you want to not get rid of the older version that you have, or the current version that you have, but you want to restore an older version, then I would say make a copy. And that's what I'm going to do for this version. So I'm going to say make a copy, and it's going to pop up and give me a copy here, and then I'm going to just make it whatever I want, change the date, and I'm going to just say older version or something like that. And then go ahead and you just can choose wherever you want to store it. You can, obviously it's going to store in your drive, but you can choose specific folders, and if there are people that have access to it, you can say, okay, share it with the same people, or if you just want it for yourself, you can leave it unchecked and just make the copy. So I'm going to do it like this, click on make copy, and as you can see, it's going to make a copy of that version with the new name and so forth. And that's it, guys. So if you're working on any document in your Google Sheet and you want to restore or get a previous version of that copy, I suggest you make a copy of it so that you can have that version as well to play with. Having two versions is always better so that you can manage certain accesses, changes, and so forth according to your own decision, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and restore a previous version of your Google Sheets document. Very easy and very simple.